How to seduce someone with a love spell. Cupid not cooperating? Try a little magic to attract your true love with these spells. You will need a red candle, a personalized incantation, a rose quartz, a piece of red paper, dried rose petals, a small square of fabric, rose oil, a symbol of your potential lover, and an open mind. Optional, a tree. Step 1. Carve or write the name of the one you love on a red candle, light it, and visualize the two of you together as you stare into the flickering light. Then say aloud what you hope your love spell will do. You don't need a formal incantation. Focus on your goal for several minutes before extinguishing the flame. Step 2. Get a rose quartz, the stone that represents love, and hold it in both hands. Visualize filling the quartz with white light as you think about the one you love and the spell you hope to put on them. To give your love spell even more power, bury the stone at the base of a tree and ask the tree to infuse the stone with its energy as it grows. Step 3. On a piece of red paper, write down the love spell you want to cast. Then feed it to a flame as you focus all your energy on what you hope will happen. Step 4. Take dried rose petals, lay them in a small piece of square fabric, and tie or sew it up. Keep this sachet near you or in your pocket. Whenever you see it, smell it, or feel it, you'll be refocusing your energy on making your love spell come true. Step 5. Put a few drops of rose essential oil on something that represents the person you wish to bewitch, like their photo or a drawing. Say a little incantation as you envision being with them. Step 6. Be careful what you wish for. It's often better to cast a spell for true love in general, rather than try to attract a certain person, because we don't always know what's good for us. Did you know? In a 1st century BCE marriage contract, the bride promised to be faithful and not to add love potions to her husband's food.